Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with more challenge entries. Thank you so much for participating and watching this Memory Decks baking challenge. This has been so much fun. Today I'm going to share with you 3 more entries that I received, so I'm going to jump right on in. This first entry that I'd like to share with you today is from Patina Hendricks. Hi Patina, thank you so much for sending in an entry and participating. I truly appreciate it. I took everything out of the package and this is the way it came. So this is her handmade card. Isn't that pretty? She did a crepe paper rosette and it looks like a embellishment right there. And let me just open it up. Oops, I had it backwards. Or actually, it goes like this because the writing's like this. It says, "Hi, Erica. Congratulations on your 11,000 subbies. Thank you for giving me a chance to win. I love your videos. I'm also a new subscriber. Thanks again." Oh, you're so welcome. And a thank you. All right, so here is her adorable mini loaded bag. And look how pretty. I love the colors. And then let's look at the back. So pretty. Let's take out her tags. Oh, okay, so here's the first one, and I love the way you did different colors. I love the green, it's so pretty. She has a pretty apron that she's pieced together, and it says hello, and it's got a little mitt right there, and then she's got a little bit of ribbon on the top. That is absolutely adorable, and I love this tag, that's pretty. And then this is the back. Oh, I love that, that's so pretty. Thank you so much. And then she did one in orange. I love these bright colors, and again she just pieced together her apron, and she says this one says happy. Oh, that's so cute. Love it. Thank you so much. And let's check out her Memory Decks card, and here it is. Oh, that's really cute as well, and it says spring, and she's got these really pretty butterflies with a lot of flat back pearls, and this paper is so pretty. It's like gold foil accents on it. Super sweet. And then let me just turn it over. I want to share her address, but there is her information. She's Patina Hendricks, and she's also on Facebook as Patina Nicholas and Hendricks. So you guys can check her out there. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I really loved your entry, and I cannot wait to use those baking tags. Those are going to be perfect for spring baking for sure. And I love the way you decorated your mini loaded bag. Thank you so much for participating. Okay, I'm gonna put her entry off to the side, and we're gonna move on to the next entry. And this next entry came packaged just like this, and it's absolutely beautiful. And it's from Mrs. Kathleen Short. So we're gonna open her package up. Oh, this is absolutely adorable. I love this twine, and I will save it so I can reuse it. Thank you for that. And look at this beautiful card. It says, "Our friendship grows brighter each day." And she's got these cute little vegetable stamped images. Oh my gosh, I love the colors, and I just love the way you put this together. It's so pretty. Let me just open up the card. It says, "Hi Erica, thank you so much for having this challenge. This is my first challenge entry ever, and it was a lot of fun. I appreciate you sharing your creativity on your channel. You are so inspirational. Congrats on your 11K subbies. Cathy." Oh, thank you, Cathy. Oh, this is so sweet, and I can't wait I'm gonna put this card with all of my handmade cards and display it in my craft room. I truly appreciate you being a new subscriber and wanting to get out your craft supplies and play, so thank you so much. All right, so she's got her entry wrapped up in this really pretty tissue, which I will definitely be able to reuse. All right, I'm gonna put that off to the side, and this is her mini loaded bag. And I apologize, the sunlight's coming in. Hopefully you guys can see it well. But oh my goodness, let's look at the detail of her mini loaded bag. I'm just gonna bring it up a little bit closer. She has all these pretty trims and this really pretty bling. And then she's got these layered hearts with that, what is that fabric called? Burlap maybe? And she's got it layered. It's so much texture. It's just gorgeous, and it says beautiful. She's got pretty flowers and sprays sticking out. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, and that's the back. Okay, I'm gonna put it down, and I'm gonna take out the baking tags, which she has in this pocket. And this is the first one, and it says sweet, and she did a shaker. So it's got a lot of fun sequins in there. Oh, that's so cute. And she's got a stamped image of the mixer in the background. And then, let me see, I think there's something on the bottom. Okay, it says treats for you. Oh, okay, that's super cute. I love that. And it looks like she did the same thing, and she just did a different color flower. That is absolutely adorable. Thank you for those baking tags. Oh, I didn't flip it over. This is the back, and she stamped for you and to and from. Absolutely sweet. Thank you so much. And then she's got a really pretty heart right here on the front of her mini loaded bag, which is beautiful. And then look at her gorgeous Memory Decks card. Wow, and it's nice and sturdy too. I love the bling, and she's got this beautiful trim right here on the top and in the middle. And she's got a beautiful flower, and she's, I think she may have used Wink of Stella to make it sparkly, but it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, let me turn it over. And oh my goodness, your birthday is a day after mine, so that's kind of cool. And her YouTube is Cathy S. So thank you, Cathy, for participating. And this is where you can find Cathy, and I'll link her information in the description box below so you guys show her some love. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, thank you. And let me just see what else is in here. And she's got a little goodie in here for me. Oh, that's so sweet. And I love these. I can reuse that. And she did a little tag that says for you, and she gifted me a gold doily. Very sweet. Oh, she gave me 2 handmade embellishments. Oh, these are gorgeous. I will promise you I will use these on a card or a tag or something. I love it. Oh my gosh. It says create and kindness. I think I could use these like on a thank you card or a hello card. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. Thank you so much for sending me some handmade goodies. Thank you, and thank you for participating. That's so sweet. All right, I have one more entry to share. I'm gonna put Cathy's entry off to the side. And here is my next entry right here. And this is from Tiffany Temmis. I hope I'm saying that correctly. All right, so this is how her package came. And I am going to open up the card, and I love the way you did my name. I love those letters, and look at the little icing bag. Super pretty. And then she's got glitter on the back. Oh, I love that. It says, hello there. And she's got these beautiful stamped images of those roses, which she looks like maybe she fussy cut and layered on her beautiful card. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me just open it up. It says, thank you so much for this fun challenge. This is my first one, and it was so much fun. My grandpa recently passed away, and I haven't had the desire to do any type of crafting. I know he would be so proud of me for trying my best. I love watching your channel, your amazing talent and style. Stay blessed, happy crafting. Aloha, Tiffany, sweet girly things. Aww, that is so sweet, Tiffany, and I do send my condolences to you and your family with your grandpa passing away. I'm sorry about that. But thank you so much for pulling out your craft supplies and wanting to get creative. This kind of, for you, it might take your mind off of that. So thank you so much. I truly appreciate that. And look, she sent me a beautiful stencil. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. And I have not played with my stencils in a while, and I have that paste. I need to pull that out. There's so many things that I have stored away still because I don't have all of my crafting supplies unpacked. But I love stencils, so I'll definitely play with that. And this is her entry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. She's got it packaged so nicely. Oh, look at that. All right, let me just take it out of the bag. Oh, this is adorable. All right, let me slide that out. And here is her beautiful mini loaded bag. I love it. And it says, hello, friend. Oh, I love those dies. Is that Mama Elephant? You'll have to tell me. Oh my gosh, I love that. And look, she's got a pretty border of these flowers with the bling. And then that pretty butterfly. And then she used that giant My Creative Time bow, this is one of my favorite bow dies. I've got like 3. Oh my gosh. So here is her first baking tag. Ah, so pretty. I love it. It says delicious treats for you. And this is not adhered, so it's just kind of like a second little tag with a tiny heart. And then she used her dies, which I love, and she used that Cottage Cut bear. I've got to get this bear. I don't have him, so I think I need him. And then she's got 2 more hearts with Wink of Stella. And then look at the bag of cookies. It's like a little, like a bowl of cookies. Isn't he adorable, you guys? I could just sit there and look at him for a while. And yes, I'm probably gonna hoard these tags for a while. And I may incorporate them into a cooking book. We'll see. It says official seal, handmade goodies. Oh, I love that stamp. And then she stamped to and from. That is absolutely adorable. I love it. Okay, let me move on. Love that. And then this is the second one, and it says official seal of handmade goodies. Oh, that's so sweet. You'll have to tell me who makes that stamp. I love that. Oh, so here is this baking tag, and it says sweets made just for you. And then she's got the cookies and the milk, and these are stamped images that looks like she probably fussy cut. And then she used her dies, and then she used this beautiful, I think this is the Mama Elephant tag. And I love it. It's so pretty. And then on the back, it says made with love, and then she stamped to and from. Oh my gosh, gorgeous tags. Yay, I'm so honored that you participated, and I love your creativity. Thank you, thank you. All right, and I'm just gonna open up the Memory Decks card, which is in here. And it says, you are amazing. Oh, and look at her fox. I love this paper. This is that Ooh La La paper. And she used that little fox critter, which I absolutely love. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm off frame, you guys. I just love it. And then she used a really pretty butterfly right there. Let me just turn it over. I'm gonna hide her address. But there is her information, and let me just go down, as I don't want to share her address. Okay, there we go. So her name is Tiffany Temmis, and her YouTube channel is Sweet Girly Things, and her Instagram is Jazzy's Sweet Stuff. Oh, so that is where you can find her, and I will link her information in the description box below so you guys show her some love. Tiffany, thank you so much for participating. I truly appreciate it. And let me just share the back of her bag, and she has it decorated so pretty. And oh, I love that die. You must have a lot of dies as well. And it says be true, and she's got a really pretty butterfly right there. Absolutely gorgeous. Tiffany, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to all the ladies that participated. You guys check out their channels, their Instagrams, find them and show them some love by leaving a comment and telling them what you think of their creations today. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will be back with more challenge entries, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.